Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul. With me is
Chef Amy.
And we got Chef Alex right here.
Hello.
Today we're not making anything. Not until later anyways. But we've just released a cookbook.
Yay!
Let's make cooking great again. It features 50 of my favorite recipes, Amy's favorite recipes, Alex's greatest recipes, and it's been inspired by people like Stell, Chef Josh, Rihanna, Alex, Amy, Quopan, Suntop, and many more. It's a great book full of healthy recipes, full of fun recipes. I think everybody's going to be able to do this. These are super easy and it's free online. Now there is a link on there where you can choose donate. It's donateware, so you want to donate and help us out, great. We will appreciate any donations you want to give. It's not mandatory. You can download your copy for free. If you want to donate, you can. Please hit the share, like, subscribe. It does help us out. And thank you very much. You guys have a great day.